Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best rope laundry baskets is probably one of the most versatile and stylish storage solutions you can add to your home, offering a natural, woven aesthetic that complements any decor while providing a practical way to manage laundry, toys, or other household items, making them an indispensable addition for anyone looking to declutter their living space with a touch of organic charm and effortless organization. Number 5. INDRESSME XXXLarge Cotton Rope Basket. Introducing our extra large woven basket, designed to hold all your laundry, toys, and blankets. Its generous size makes it perfect for any large-scale storage needs in your home. Crafted from soft yet durable cotton rope, this basket is slow woven for a beautiful, even texture. It's built to last and features strong handles for effortless carrying. Enhance your living space with its minimalist boho design. The neutral colors seamlessly blend with any home decor, adding a touch of elegance to any room. Made with soft cotton rope, it's gentle on skin and safe for the whole family. Unlike harder materials, it won't cause scratches or injuries. This versatile basket is ideal for storing laundry, toys, or blankets. It's perfect for living rooms, bedrooms, nurseries, or laundry rooms and is even machine washable for easy care. What we like? If you have a large family or a lot of items to store, this oversized option is perfect for you. Its generous capacity handles laundry, toys, and blankets with ease. Plus, the machine washable feature makes upkeep a breeze, making it ideal for busy households. What people say? It holds its shape really well and feels sturdy and well made. The quality is great, and it adds a cozy, neutral look that blends nicely with our decor. The size is generous without being bulky, and it holds a surprising amount while still looking neat and structured. The cotton rope feels sturdy and well woven, not flimsy or scratchy, and it holds its shape well even when full. It's sturdy, stylish, and blends in nicely with my home decor. No more plastic bins or scattered toys everywhere. The size is just right, not too bulky, but it holds a surprising amount. The material is soft yet structured, so it keeps its shape but is safe for pets to interact with. Number 4. YOUDENOVA Woven Rope Laundry Hamper Basket. Introducing our tall laundry hamper, crafted from 100% natural cotton rope. It's completely free from plastics and harsh chemicals, making it a safe choice for your family and home. This large hamper easily holds a week's worth of laundry, giving you more time to relax. Its sturdy handles can support up to 44 pounds, and the long design makes it simple to carry anywhere. Add a touch of Nordic elegance to any room with this slim, tall basket. It's perfect for your living room, bedroom, nursery, or dorm, and can be easily folded for storage when not in use. With a generous 58L capacity, this basket helps keep your home tidy. Use it for extra towels, blankets, clothes, toys, books, or any other household items you need to organize. We are committed to your happiness with this product. If you're not completely satisfied, please contact us, and we'll work to resolve any issues to ensure your contentment. What we like? For those who prioritize natural materials and a clean aesthetic, this tall hamper is a great choice. Its eco-friendly construction means no harsh chemicals, and the slim, tall design fits perfectly in any room. If you're looking for a stylish and safe way to store clothes and blankets, this is it. What people say? It's super cute. I've had it for about 5 years now and is still in the same condition that it was when I bought it. The storage capacity is great and it keeps its shape 100%. It's the perfect size. I also like the handles because I can keep it off to the side and then when I need it, I can slide it across the floor in front of where I keep my litter boxes. It's easy to take outside and bang on the bottom and the sides in order to get any fallen litter sand out of periodically, and the basket itself does not draw any odor. Thickness of material is good, very functional, and very durable, especially the handles. Number 3. YOUDENOVA Woven Rope Laundry Hamper Basket. Crafted from 100% natural hand-woven cotton rope, this hamper is free from plastics and harmful chemicals. It's perfect for storing clothes, blankets, and even stuffed animals. With a generous capacity, it can hold at least a week's worth of laundry. The sturdy handles can support over 44 pounds, making it easy to transport wherever you need it. Add a touch of Nordic elegance to any room with its cute and elegant design. It complements any space, from the living room to the nursery. This hamper is designed for convenience, easily folding for storage when not in use. It's constructed with high-grade materials to ensure durability for years to come. Beyond laundry, it's a stylish way to organize various household items. Use it for extra towels, blankets, toys, books, or pillows to keep your home tidy. What we like. If you appreciate a touch of Nordic style and need flexibility in storage size, this hamper is a fantastic option. Available in multiple capacities, it can adapt to your changing needs. Its foldable design is perfect for small spaces or when you need to tuck it away. What people say. It's super cute. I've had it for about 5 years now and is still in the same condition that it was when I bought it. The storage capacity is great and it keeps its shape 100%. This is a great basket. I hide my litter, genie pail in it. It's the perfect size. I also like the handles because I can keep it off to the side and then when I need it, I can slide it across the floor in front of where I keep my litter boxes. It's easy to take outside and bang on the bottom and the sides in order to get any fallen litter sand out of periodically, and the basket itself does not draw any odor. Thickness of material is good, very functional, and very durable, especially the handles. Number 2. Large woven laundry basket hamper, 60L cotton rope storage bin. Elevate the aesthetic of your home with our stylish, minimalist laundry basket. Its sophisticated design adds a touch of elegance to any room. Embrace nature living with this handcrafted storage basket. Meticulously handwoven, it's a unique, high-quality product free from harsh chemicals, ensuring safety for your family. Keep your living space tidy and stylish with this versatile hamper. It's ideal for storing toys, clothes, and blankets in your living room, bedroom, or laundry room. Maximize your space with its effortless foldable design for easy storage. Use soft items or a warm iron to smooth out any wrinkles and restore its shape. Carry your laundry with ease thanks to the long, sturdy handles. The soft, natural material ensures a comfortable grip without sharp edges. What we like. If you're looking for a unique, handcrafted piece that also doubles as modern home decor, consider this option. Its natural, handmade quality adds character, and the soft handles ensure a comfortable grip. It's perfect for adding a sophisticated touch to your living spaces while keeping them organized. What people say. This basket is way more sturdy than I thought it would be. It's very lightweight and the height along with handles make it easier to move around. Very sturdy, and the 60L is a very decent size to carry a load of laundry for 2. And with the 2 handles, it is very easy to carry up and down stairs with one hand. Its neutral design complements my home decor beautifully. The cotton rope material is both soft and sturdy, making it easy to carry. It holds a generous amount of laundry, blankets, or toys, and the collapsible feature is great for saving space when not in use. Number 1. FairyHaus 100L Laundry Basket 2-Pack. Tired of frequent trips to the laundry room? Each of these baskets holds up to 100 liters, perfect for tackling large loads with ease. With both long and short handles, carrying your laundry is a breeze. Move clothes up and down stairs or across your home without strain. Crafted from high-quality polyester with a waterproof coating, these hampers are built to last. Your clothes will stay dry and protected, even in damp areas. The sturdy frame ensures it stands upright and maintains its shape. Just distribute clothes evenly for optimal stability. When not in use, simply fold them flat for convenient storage. They are perfect for apartments, dorm rooms, or any space-saving needs. What we like. If you need a convenient and durable solution for managing multiple laundry loads, this 2-pack hamper is ideal. The waterproof fabric protects your items, and the freestanding structure keeps things tidy. It's perfect for families or anyone who wants to streamline their laundry routine with ease. What people say. They're lightweight but surprisingly sturdy, and the 78L capacity holds a lot of clothes. The handles make them easy to carry, even when full, and I love that they collapse flat for storage. The fabric and handles are much thicker and durable than expected. Super sturdy and I believe will last a long time. At the very top it has a pull-tie closure to either camouflage what is in it or to use when carrying so nothing falls out, and an insert for a hard bottom. They hold large loads of laundry and have double handles for easy transport to the laundry room. The height is standard for most laundry bins. The material is pretty thin but the baskets have been surprisingly durable under the weight of all their clothes that get piled in and on top. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.